Hey, in this video, I will show you how you can create a workflow which can get weather information from that website. Like if I ask him that could you please tell me the current weather information in Chicago, and then it will give you the answer from the different workflow which I created in n8n. It said the current weather information in Chicago is chilly, is current temperature is minus 4 degree, blah blah blah, and everything is providing me on the in this workflow. So in this workflow I created a different workflow which is getting the idea from from that workflow, and in this workflow, getting all of this information, grab the information and give me the answer. So let's go to the workflow how you can make the process. Okay, so first of all, you need to add a trigger which can add a when executed by another workflow. This another workflow will be called this workflow, so that it will be work. Okay, so define this information, accept all of the data. Okay, and another node which will be need, which is the edit field, and you have to click here for add manually. Need to select here the name is city, and for the dynamically we will give here the another dynamic method, and now we are giving here the static name. Okay, we give here the Chicago name, which is the static. Chicago city name is Chicago. Now execute. We can get it the information which is Chicago. This is the static. I will give you the letter which is the dynamic. Okay, so click here another AI model which can get a information to make a idea from the website, which name is open weather map. So need to create a API account, go to the website. When you will come to the website, and you can click here for get API key, and the API key, this is the API key you can create here. After this video I will disable this one because I already show you. So click here return weather data for the next 5 year. Okay, I click here, and what is the city name is this. I need to grab here and paste it here over here. And first of all, you need to create a new credential, which is grab the API key and paste it here. Okay, this is super simple. Not to show you, no need to show you. This is the ID, and now you can see the actual all information, which is I got the information from this website, open weather map. Okay, this is the temperature, and this is the weather information, description, everything. You can get information from that website, which provide you the API key. Okay, so this is the API key, and now I need to select a AI agent which can give you the information. So define below, and I need to give here the information which is what I need actually from this website. Okay, so this is the prompt. I need to give here the prompt what I need actually from this web node. Okay, so I need to give here the exact information that I need to get from AI agent. So okay, so click here expression, and paste it here over here, which is I need from those information, weather information, wide. This is the weather description. This is the weather description. I need to I paste it here, and wide spread, and humidity, temperature and city. I give here everything from this website. So I need to give here the system from the what I actually need from this website, from this AI agent. So this is the system from what I need. Okay, so click execution, then you can get a chat model is needed also. Okay, I need to click here add a chat model, which is chat model is the open AI chat model. What is the open model? Open AI open AI chat model, and I need to give it the GPT 4.1 mini. Okay, everything is clear. It's not a, it's a super simple. Just create a event from the open router API key. Okay, this is super simple, not rocket science. I click here, then you can get a idea that which is which we get information. Hey, this is the blah blah Chicago recent information, everything. So after that I need a click here for again for the response, which is output, edit information, edit field, which is this one, and edit field for the response, which this is the response. Paste it here, this is the response, and I need to give it the output or response. This is the response and execution. Now you can get a information that this is the output. Hey, they are looking for Chicago outreach overprime and looking now temperature, everything. Okay, so this is actually data I got from this workflow. So now I need to create another workflow, which is create a AI agent and link up a Wikipedia from that website. Okay, so let's go. So before we going to the another workflow, we need to click here for the save, and after, and also we need to rename this workflow so that we can grab the actual find out the actual data. Okay, actual workflow, otherwise we will destroy the which one the actual workflow. Okay, so I need to give her the workflow name is get weather info. Okay, so this already saved. Let's go to the another workflow. So this is the another workflow. In this workflow I need to add a trigger which name is open on chat model. So I need to click here for chat model. I am typing on this chat model, and it will be trigger the another chat model, which will be continue the workflow. So I need to give here the AI agent which can grab link with the another chat model. It will be the work. Okay, so define value, and we need to give here the system prompt and what I need actually from this website. Okay, so you can see, and we need to flow which is the connected to trigger, and add a system prompt which is you are the assistant with the information, and blah 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 return to the response. Okay, so we need to add a chat model, open router chat model, and everything is clear. Everything is you need to create a chat model credential before I was so how you can create a chat model. Okay, and memory, you need to select a LLM model which it will be the memory memorize the previous messages, then it will be give the next answer. Okay, so this is the process, and this is the model, and I need to click here Wikipedia. If any need in any information, then it will be grab the information from the Wikipedia and give you the reply. Okay, so Wikipedia, and this is the Wikipedia, and no need to add any information. It's super simple, just Wikipedia node, add this Wikipedia node. And now we need to create another workflow which I created for another workflow. So this is the call n8n workflow 2. This node will be called the my different workflow, and it will be the give you the reply. Okay, so call n8n workflow, this is the workflow, and what will we do this workflow. Okay, now I need to give here the system prompt. Okay, so what I need to give here the description. This is the description that call this tool access the current information. Okay, so prompt list database, yeah, it's exactly same, no need to change. And workflow, which one is the do you want to grab the information. Okay, so get information, weather information, then I want to know, I want to add this one, so that if I ask any question, this workflow will be executed. Okay, get information, and after that we will give here the another sheet information, so that it will be the work. So let's say we will get a wrong, I know, but I will solve this issue. So if I call here, if I tell him the can you please, I hope it will be work. Let me check. Yes, it's showing the weather is Chicago overall. But if I ask him another information, another area, it won't be work. Chicago or Denmark. If I ask him the Denmark, now it won't be the work. Do you know why? It's taking couple of minutes. I hope it won't be the work. Let me check. Now you can see the current information Denmark is not available at this moment, but the you want to I will try the research. Do you know why? Because we gave here the static information on the previous node, so we need to change the previous node so that it will be dynamic. Okay, it will be dynamic for the if anyone can ask their information, then it will be reply the message. Okay, so I need to go the get weather information, and we need to edit the information which is query city. We won't give here the city name. We need to give here the query. This is the query. Okay, and this is the query edit information which is the city. This is the city name. Okay, query city name and execution the workflow. So okay, so save the information. So this is the city, and if I save the information and go to the my model, first model, and if I ask here the yeah, could you please tell me the, I hope so it will be work now, because I set up the information from the previous workflow, and now yeah, exactly, it's working. And the weather in Denmark is currently with coldy and blah blah blah, everything is crystal clear. So what is the process? First of all, if you want to create any weather information tool, and want to add another simple workflow, that if you need any information about weather, then go to that workflow and grab the information and give me the reply. So this is the process how you can do weather information tool. Okay, AI agent. So this is the process, and stay connected and keep practicing, and more important, subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, best of luck, have a good day.